Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Luzia app. We go to settings. Here in this page, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Luzia app and you click here. Then in this page of app and for you we go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.